poor people and the rich people.
And a pseudoscience called astrology.
There is a disparity between people in North India.
They're complex.
Shares the Geek and the video team presents the farewell video.
But this increase in temperature is also known by the name climate change.
Okay, I'm Sharath from Sharath the Geek, and it's not the right place to say good morning or good evening, but I am at Manali.
Happy New Year, guys. This is the last day of 2019, and we said the same last year. That was the last day of 2018. 2019 was spectacular for me, some great and amazing videos. I hope you will enjoy the next year and make the best out of that year. In 2020, we hit 5 years. So thank you guys for watching. I am Sharath, and this is my channel. That's Sharath the Geek, or by the name STG. Thank you so much. And we have changed from a school to a college perspective. Now I'm studying in a college, and that's another intention that we have to do in the next month, or we can say year. Thank you. This is the last day of 2018.
And this is the last day of 2017.
Last day of 2016.
This is the last day of 2015.